Hello everybody, we're here at the Quail Monterey Car Week 2022 and it's my absolute pleasure to be able to present the most radical GT3 RS we ever did, and in a special livery in pure white over Python green, like the RS 2.7. 50 years ago it has a birthday, so this is a birthday present for the old car. It looks so innocent, it's yet so radical and so beast looking. This is exactly how I would spec my GT3 RS.
And Andy, we love the spec, we love the car. We would like to take this as an inspiration, that plus the 50-year-old Carrera RS, to create something very special from enthusiasts, for enthusiasts, only in the North American market.